Boom. Hey, internets. Wow. Throwback in terms of format. So thank you for everyone who's continuing to follow and drop comments or get value. I know I'm making this for you guys. Content that I drop continues to give you value. That's awesome. And I keep getting comments from people. I got a comment from someone like over 10 years ago. I guess I gave some advice. Wow, super dating myself. But couple updates. I have got a message from some people that are like, hey, have you stopped posting? And I think it's because I haven't dropped formatted videos like this, more traditional YouTube videos. Just let you know that I've dropped a ton of new content. It's just all in short form. So if you go to my shorts tab, you're gonna see all of the videos that have been dropping there, more than multiple videos a week. So it's ranging. As you might know, I moved here to San Diego. So I'm in my studio here, or the office that's in San Diego. Couple things. House of Phenom has opened, and I'm actively showing you guys merch designs and some of that process, at least the design process. That content is dropping very soon. Super excited about it. And then I'm going to be dropping apparel via that. So real life work process of everything that I talk about. But more importantly for this video is School is live. It is free at the moment. So whenever you're watching this, at the date that I drop this, it's free at that point. Very good chance that I'll do what everyone else does and like put the gate up in terms of a paywall in the future. But if you know someone that wants to start a brand or do merch, there's going to be a big lean towards merch for your current company, brand, nonprofit, organization, whatever that is. If you guys want to handle your own apparel in-house, there's going to be content on that. Typically, I'll get messages like my friend, my cousin. I got a message of someone I went to high school with. Her son is starting a brand. Join me on School. I'm trying to centralize all of the content for CBA, for all of my clothing brand academy stuff. I still have CBA.com where I'm selling the tech packs and courses, but I'm going to bring the courses on the CBA and bring the discussion in the CBA and trying to centralize it there. So it's an easier handle for me as I have other projects rather than just this content here. But I do want to help people on their fashion journey or their merch journey as well. All as well. Let's continue to be productive in 2026. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.